Hello everyone. I am Johnson. Today, let's learn how to create chips. Chips are small, interactive elements that represent pieces of information, attributes, or choices. Typically, chips are displayed as small rectangular or pill-shaped containers that can contain text, icons, or both. Let's create the prototype. First, we'll create basic type chips. Drag a rectangle onto the canvas. Adjust its size and input one fish. Add rounded corners to make it pill-shaped. Then select Fit to Width and set the left and right padding values. Change its fill color and create it as a dynamic panel. Add a new state for the checked state of the chip. Change its color to primary and set its left padding value. Use the pen tool to draw a tick. Select the chip and add a click interaction. Set its state to next, check wrap from last to first, and then choose push/pull widgets to the right. Then, duplicate it and change the label text to 2 fish. Duplicate the chip again, change the label text to accent fish, and change the fill color of state 2 to accent. Duplicate the chip once more, change the label text to worn fish, and change the fill color of state 2 to worn. Adjust the spacing of the chips. Duplicate a label and a chip. Change the label text to chip's icon and adjust its left padding value. Drag an icon onto the canvas. Style it, change the text to notice, and then group them. Check Apply Mouse Style Effects and add Mouse Over and Mouse Down style effects to the background. Duplicate these 2 new chips. Copy and paste the style effects to the basic buttons. We also need to add style effects to state 2 of the basic buttons. Duplicate the basic buttons. Change the label to Stacked Chips, and then stack the chips. Change the size of State 1 and State 2 of the chips. Align the text to the left and change the text to None, primary, accent, and worn. Preview the prototype. When you click the basic chips, you can see the state change. Clicking on the chips icon can display the style effects. Clicking on stacked chips can also show the state change. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.